you sick of that intro yet? If you are, leave it down in the comments below. Maybe I'll change it up. Sorry I've had a leave of absence. I was putting out videos pretty regularly for a while there, but those were old videos that I was kind of purging off, so it made it easier. But now here we are with another video, and this is changing the oil on my 2011 528i BMW that my wife daily drives, and it just hit 100,000 miles, so that's pretty cool. We are going to be putting in Napa brand 5W30 full synthetic. Why am I using this instead of Mobil 1, which I always use Mobil 1. If you've seen any of my old videos, I really like the stuff. Big thing is price. So I found out this was on sale for about 50% off. It was like $3.39 a quart. So I went ahead and ordered that. I actually bought it online, so it was free shipping, didn't have to pay tax. So that's always a bonus when you don't have to pay any of that. And why did I order it online and not buy it in the store? Well, it's because I refuse to wear a mask. I'm going to give you 2 reasons why that is. So reason number 1, it's kind of obvious, it's not Halloween. But, you know, I don't even know why I need to say that, right? Number 2 is I have a medical issue, and that is I suffer from common sense. So with that being said, let's go on with the rest of the video and drain the oil out of this BMW. So Mike just removed the oil filter and cap, and he also removed the little plastic piece that goes here. Because it's at 100,000 miles, we're also going to be pulling and replacing the spark plugs. So I may film that, it depends, it's starting to rain, so see how that goes. So this is the filter we'll be using. The BMW clan seemed to recommend this brand filter, so that's what we're going to use. Mike's got the new filter in, the new O-ring here. There's also a new O-ring that goes right there as well. He's going to insert it. Wow, look at that. It's hot, huh? Yeah, that's what happens usually when I drive over here and then he immediately works on the car.
It's gonna rain.
Yeah, it's currently sprinkling a little, but I think we'll manage. Now that we have the car up in the air, the next step is removing the plastic piece that covers this. And lucky for me, mine didn't come with one, so it's already gone. Next, you're gonna need a 17mm socket to loosen the drain plug. Alright, here's the underside of the BMW. This shot's for my wife. Since she's not here, she can see what this thing looks like underneath. And it's all exposed up until you get to all this paneling, and you can't see anything. So Mike's gonna go ahead and loosen the drain plug now. Damn, that was pretty loose.
Yeah, that's pretty tight.
Or you just make it look easy, huh? Mike's got this new jack here. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess too because it's a straight down shooter. Ooh, there it is. Oh, some of it got on my arm, huh?
Better you than me.
Yeah, you got lucky there. Well, the oil looks pretty much what used oil looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and let that drain. And I'm gonna charge my battery because it's dying right now. So hold on a sec. Now we've got the drain plug back on, the oil is out. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up with the new oil, the Napa 5W30 full synthetic. I believe it takes 7 quarts, don't hold it to me, but I'm pretty sure it's 7. Shaking a lot.
It's too heavy for you.
It's an awkward position.
Sitting inside in the AC, typing keys on your laptop.
Alright, to check the oil level, we're going to go to vehicle info. And we're going to go to vehicle status. We're going to scroll down to engine oil level, and bam, there it is. So 7 quarts. Seem to do the trick. Mike's in the process of switching out the spark plugs as we speak. If you're curious, the recommended spark plug for this car is the NGK Laser Platinum, and there is the number for it These are actually the same thing that came out, and I believe the spark plugs that were in there were the originals. So, because it's been 100,000 miles, it's usually when people change these things. All right, guys, now that the bottles are empty and our boxes are empty, do not forget to recycle these. Believe it or not, these are actually recyclable. It says it right there on the bottom. So stick it in your recycling bin. It's not that big of a deal to do. It's real easy. And guess what? Some company will sell these to some other company in China, and they'll recycle it and turn it into another product, which keeps the economy going. Not to mention, they don't have to dig more of this out of the ground and refine it and turn it into this, which costs a lot of money as well. So it'll save you money and your kids money in the future, and it's just the right thing to do. All you gotta do is throw it in the recycle bin instead of the garbage bin. That's it, that's simple. Thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. If you don't mind subscribing. I actually just picked up another house to flip, and I'll be posting videos on that soon, so if you go ahead and subscribe, might be able to see those videos in the future. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. Bye.